Welcome back to Quick Shifts. Today we're going to install this BulletPoint mounting system into our Jeep Gladiator and do a review of it and let you guys know what we think of it. This is not a paid sponsorship. We did pay full price for this, and we'll cover everything about it with you. Those of you who've been following us on Instagram know that I'm in the middle of cleaning up this garage and just picked up this new tool case over here, this tool cabinet, and you'll have to excuse my mess in here. Everything's everywhere, a bit cluttered, but stick with us here and we'll get through this. So let's check out this BulletPoint mounting system. So we picked up this system after watching all the same videos you guys have watched and looking at all the different reviews, and we wanted to give it a try. We thought this looked like the best solution out there. If I can get this thing to open up. There we go. So this system does come with a nice sticker, warranty card, contact for help, and the instructions, which on this particular mounting is very easy to do. You don't really need these. I read through them once anyway because it's always a good idea to do that. But something different from most of the reviews. For us, we got the dual mounting here on the left-hand side of the vehicle. So we'll see that on the dash. 4 screws to secure that in. It's got the sticky tape on the back. The nice brown mounting bracket here. Comes with a screwdriver, so everything you need is really in this case. But we went with the magnetic backing. So we'll review that, where most everybody else seems to be going with the grippy. So we'll put this together and see how this works out for us and let you know if we feel that this is a good solution or not. And then again, with a mount for the GoPro, which is really what we wanted to get here, so we could mount both of those things up at the same time. And there are a couple of things that they include in this kit. This looks like it's a bullet bottle opener, so that's kind of neat. And then there's this device, which I'm not exactly sure what this is. Maybe you guys can post down below and let me know what this is, a keychain or something like that perhaps. Post down below in the comments, let me know what this piece is. Let's go ahead and get this sucker installed. All right, so first thing you do is hop up here into your Jeep, bring the kit with you, and we'll go up to the dash. This is where it's gonna install in here. Go ahead and grab the rubber piece and yank this sucker out and set it to the side for now. Then you'll grab the base. We'll remove this double sticky tape on here, and we're gonna end up installing it right in there. Quick little test fit. And we've got the 4 bolts. One will go one there, one in there, one there, and one here to firmly secure this into here. So this is going to be kind of tricky for me to do it with one hand. So we're going to grab a towel real quick and wipe this out clean, and then we'll pull the backing off here and set this in there for the final time. So, quick little shout out to Adams. Grab some Total Interior Cleaner and just give it a quick little spray there. Grab a microfiber and clean all the dust and crummies out of here. All right, got the sticky tape off. You guys can see that. We're gonna go ahead, flip this around. Make sure we got it in place and then firmly press it down. So according to the instructions, you can let this cure for 24 hours, or you should let this cure for 24 hours before you put any of the brackets on it. And you could actually be done here, but we're gonna go ahead and put the screws into here just to make it that much more secure. All right, so there we go. We got all 4 screws screwed into it. And at this point, we'll go ahead and take this tray, and we're gonna make a cut on this tray about right there. so we can lay this back in there and have it still looking OEM. All right guys, so I just whipped out my pocket knife and went ahead and cut this down. And as you can see, it fits in there perfectly. It looks like OEM. So really, I'm gonna be OCD and let this cure for 24 hours like they suggest. But then we'll put the mounts on here and we'll go for several drives and mount the phone up and see how this holds up. All right guys, so it's been 24 hours. We're gonna go ahead, take this mount, and you just loosen it up here. And I'm sorry I can't do this with one hand, but you loosen this up, put it on the ball, and then tighten it up. And then on the other end, you're gonna do the same thing for the mounting plate. So guys, something I can't show you because I'm using my phone to do this, but I thought this would just magnetically connect to the phone because I do have a newer Apple phone, and it does stick a little bit, but not enough to hold your phone. So you will have to find a way to mount these plates, which they're pretty cool. They have a BulletPoint mounting system and a flag on there, their symbol. So we'll find a way to mount that into the back of our phone case. So that shouldn't be a big deal. We'll go ahead and mount that up. They do have tape on them, so we'll mount it on the back of this or right to the back of this here phone. So we'll do that, and then we should have our solution right there mounted up. And so let's see if I can pull this off somehow for you guys. Not the easiest thing to do, holding your phone or camera in your hand at the same time, but looks like I'm able to get it, and these do hold well. So the kit does come with 2 of these magnetic backings, and show you a quick demo here. Boom, they stick on here solid. I got this mounted, the magnet mounted to the back of the phone, and now I should be able to go right up to this mount and hook it right up. And that's the install. So now we'll go ahead and mount this up and go for a test drive and drive around and see how we like this as a mount, see how stable it is. And I really do like this magnetic part because you can take your phone and slap it up here, as you'll see, different ways, and it sticks very solid to there. And this is with the magnet, the metal backing being behind my phone. So you get an idea of how strong that is, because there's a pretty thick piece of phone casing between the metal piece and the mounting brace, and it's on there pretty solid. All right guys, so here's a little bit of video footage from the GoPro mount with the BulletPoint mounting system, so you guys can see how well that works. Backing out the driveway, big bump there, but it holds it very securely, very steady. There's not a lot of shaking or anything like that. The mount does a really good job holding the GoPro, keeping everything secure and where it needs to be. No worries of it bouncing out, bouncing around, anything like that. It does a really good job. So we'll switch over to the cell phone holder here and let you guys take a look at that. All right guys, so here's the phone mount, and phone mounts and taking video have never been a good combination. So we'll go ahead and give this a quick little try for you guys to see how the BulletPoint magnetic mount holds up. A little city driving here, sorry I don't have trail driving for you, but a little busy, not able to get out to the trails right now. So I don't know what this will look like in post, but right now it looks pretty good. Looks like it's taking a good picture. Going over a few of those typical road bumps. It's been a few weeks now since we put in the BulletPoint mounting bracket for their cell phone and for the GoPro, and we've been using the magnetic one, and I can't tell you enough how happy I am with this. You can just slap your phone in there whatever way you want, and it holds it pretty secure in there. It doesn't want to fall off after driving around for a good bit of time. Very happy with it. Really recommend this product. It's something that's worth the extra couple of bucks to get. It's very clean inside the Jeep. I think you guys would be thrilled with this. I'm beyond my expectations with this magnet. I didn't think it would hold well, but it does a great job. You do have to put that magnetic strip on the back of your phone, but highly recommend this. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. Please share it and subscribe to the channel and help us out with those logarithms. I do appreciate that. And we'll see you guys again later. Thanks.